きちょう. Hey there, class. Today, we are diving into the shiny world of the word 貴重. This lovely little term means valuable or precious, and it's used to describe everything from rare coins to wonderful experiences. Imagine finding a rare Pokemon card. That's pretty 貴重, right? Or think about the moment you finally got that perfect slice of cake. 貴重, for sure. So, whenever something makes your heart do a little happy dance, remember you can call it 貴重. Let's treasure our moments and things and keep our lives filled with 貴重ness. Now, repeat after me. 貴重, 貴重, 貴重. A student talks about an old book given by their grandparents, expressing that it's very valuable to them, so they say, 祖父母からもらった古い本は私にとってとても貴重だ. The old book I got from my grandparents is very precious to me. 祖父母からもらった古い本は私にとってとても貴重だ. 祖父母からもらった古い本は私にとってとても貴重だ. While discussing travel, someone shares that visiting a particular country was a very special experience, saying, あの国をお供した経験は私にとって貴重な思い出です. Visiting that country was a valuable memory for me. あの国をお供した経験は私にとって貴重な思い出です. あの国をお供した経験は私にとって貴重な思い出です. Now let's dive into the kanjis. The first kanji, ki, in kichou, means precious or valuable. This kanji is often found in words related to value or esteem. For instance, kizoku refers to nobility, denoting people of high social status. Similarly, kichouhin translates to valuable item, often highlighting the importance and worth of an object. When used as kisha, it politely refers to your company in business correspondences. The second kanji, ju, in kichou, highlights concepts of heavy or important, focusing on weight or significance. A common use is in omoi, meaning heavy, which describes physical weight. The word kasaneru means to stack, emphasizing the layering or piling up of objects, whereas juyo means important, signifying gravity or importance in context. Finally, let's practice the word 貴重 with some questions. Can you form a sentence that says information, 情報 is precious, 貴重? Consider how valuable information can be. この情報は貴重です. This information is precious. この情報は貴重です. この情報は貴重です. Can you create a sentence expressing that you don't want to waste time, 時間, and that it is precious, 貴重? Think about how you value your time. 貴重な時間を無駄にしたくない. I don't want to waste precious time. 貴重な時間を無駄にしたくない. 貴重な時間を無駄にしたくない. Can you tell me about a valuable experience, 経験, you had that was precious, 貴重? Reflect on moments that impacted you. 貴重な経験をしました. I had a valuable experience. 貴重な経験をしました. 貴重な経験をしました. Can you make a sentence that says you found an item, 品, that is precious, 貴重? think about something special you've discovered. 貴重な品を見つけました。I found a precious item. 貴重な品を見つけました。貴重な品を見つけました。Well, friends, it's time to wrap up our chat about きちょう. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun Japanese lessons. Keep those precious memories tight. And until next time, peace out and stay 貴重.